More and more strange flying objects are being spotted in the skies by Americans. Every now and then, fresh eyewitness evidence of incomprehensible air movement comes online, and the Department of Defense has now gathered over 500 comparable accounts. The military has attributed at least some of these occurrences to private flights or experimental aircraft testing. But there are numerous cases that they are unable to explain. For instance, in a recent incident in Missouri, nearly 36 witnesses reported seeing a bizarre black object hanging over the city of Brookfield that resembled a sizable UFO. It's important to note that Whiteman Air Force Base is only 4 miles from the sighting. Coincidence? Maybe. What about another incident that happened in the state of Nevada? A mysterious triangular object was spotted flying in the air over Highway 95 close to the fabled Area 51, a location shrouded in mystery and legends by military scouts. So what is happening? Is the UFO invasion finally happening? Or is America getting ready for something major and trying out cutting-edge technology as tensions around the world rise? Both possibilities could be accurate given the mounting evidence that China has been deliberately arming itself with cutting-edge technology. Given the leadership's tendencies, this is dangerous news. The Pentagon's interest in testing new weapons, especially vehicles that could be mistaken for UFOs, is understandable given the current situation. A covert spy plane was launched by the U.S. Air Force over the Pacific Ocean in 2013. An unidentified object conducted strategic reconnaissance against China and North Korea. The page carrying the object's name had been marked off with a black marker, as the government does with sensitive documents, in a document connected to this incident that was later found. Experts were able to determine that the vehicle's name consisted of 8 letters. At that time, there was only one aircraft in the United States that fit the description, the RQ-170 Sentinel. This was the plane that had sparked so many rumors and legends because it was developed at Area 51. Now take a look at its shape and recall the shape of the airborne object that had been spotted in Nevada. Quite the coincidence. But what do we know about this secret spy plane? Well, first of all, it's not just a plane, but a true technological breakthrough. While other countries were still using piloted reconnaissance aircraft, the Sentinel was already a real drone. With a wingspan of 40 feet, it could accelerate to a speed of 620 miles per hour and had a special stealth coating technology that had previously been tested on another aircraft that you will learn about today. This secret device was created for monitoring important enemy targets. It carried out its mission in the Pacific Ocean from the Andersen Air Base on Guam, which has become one of the most famous military bases in the world because of a single plane crash. In any case, the RQ-170 Sentinel may be the answer to the question of what eyewitnesses saw in the sky that day. But this reconnaissance aircraft alone can't explain all UFO sightings, of course. Besides, how about the fact that last year the Pentagon announced the rearmament of the U.S. Space Forces? You've heard that right, Space Forces. Who are they supposed to be fighting? Surely not asteroids. And it's no accident that the states have created a fighter capable of near-space combat. We're talking about the NGAD, the leader of the next generation of military aviation. This fighter is all business, inside and out. Each of its components is perfectly matched, and every function complements the rest. It is set to become the technological benchmark for its competitors. As an example of its amazing technology, the aircraft has been equipped with a unique stealth skin that not only deflects radar waves, but also blocks laser weapons. That's right, the billions of dollars being spent to combat aircraft like these are a waste. The unique coating was based on experience with the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, which utilized a special paint that protected the craft and dissipated heat throughout its frame. The NGAD uses the same technology to scatter laser beams, rendering them practically useless. Of course, if the enemy uses space lasers, such as those on some satellites, then the U.S. aircraft may lose the battle, but it still has something to strike back at the enemy, literally and figuratively. The aircraft can fly at orbital altitudes, practically in open space. From such a height, it wouldn't be too difficult to shoot down a satellite or even a UFO with its ultra-fast, maneuverable missiles. There is something else that makes this fighter the best in the world, namely speed. The NGAD can even compete with the SR-71. with top speeds reaching 1,800 miles per hour. No air-to-air missiles would be able to keep up with it, meaning that it would be totally safe. But would-be enemies should be thinking about their own safety, because it is impossible to hide from this fighter. It gathers information using its super powerful aviation radar, as well as reconnaissance drones that can fly around any cover or even use their X-ray-like scanners to see adversaries through walls. With a plane like this, not even aliens seem scary anymore. It could even pass for the aliens themselves. But still, there are plenty of videos of unidentified objects in the sky simply disappearing without a trace. The NGAD isn't capable of such a maneuver, nor is any other aircraft for that matter. The RQ-170 Sentinel is an exemplar of technological advancement, differing from traditional piloted reconnaissance planes as a fully autonomous drone. With a 40-foot wingspan and a top speed of 620 miles per hour, it's cloaked in stealth technology tested on previous aircraft. Designed for monitoring high-priority targets, it operated from Andersen Air Base on Guam, known for a notable plane crash. The RQ-170 Sentinel offers a plausible explanation for some UFO sightings, yet fails to account for all instances. The Pentagon's announcement of rearming the U.S. Space Forces adds complexity. The creation of near-space combat-capable aircraft, exemplified by the NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance fighter, underscores the evolving nature of military aviation. The NGAD boasts unmatched integration and a unique stealth skin that deflects radar and lasers, utilizing lessons from the SR-71 Blackbird. Speed is a defining feature of the NGAD, capable of reaching up to 1,800 mph, rivaling the iconic SR-71. Its super powerful radar and reconnaissance drones with X-ray-like scanners grant it exceptional situational awareness and intelligence-gathering capabilities. The fighter's orbital capabilities also position it as a potential countermeasure against satellites or even UFOs. Nonetheless, numerous videos depict unidentified objects vanishing without a trace, a feat beyond the NGAD's capabilities. These enigmas persist, suggesting that while advanced technology provides insight into some sightings, a comprehensive understanding of these strange flying objects remains elusive. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of our new content. See you next time.